In this video we're giving an honest review of Prolific, a survey platform that connects participants with academic and market researchers. Prolific is widely regarded as legitimate and user-friendly, with many users earning between £6 to £12 per hour, and some studies paying up to £18. Surveys are usually short, lasting 5 to 40 minutes, and the platform is praised for its clean interface and transparent payment system. Payments are made via PayPal and are typically processed within a day or two. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Prolific is primarily available to residents of the UK, US, and select other countries. Some users have reported account suspensions due to automated review processes, which can be frustrating if you're actively participating. Also, earnings are supplemental and shouldn't be considered a full-time income replacement. Overall, Prolific is a reputable option for earning extra money while contributing to academic research. If you found this review helpful and want more honest insights into online earning platforms, subscribe for regular updates and tips.